Guys, this is Russ with Joe's Gaming Electronics, today with another highly requested video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to reset a Fitbit Blaze. So let's begin. It's powered up, it's in its casing, so it's easier to push the buttons when it's in its casing. Go ahead and hold the power button and the bottom right button for about 6-7 seconds. It's okay if that pops up. It always does that. And then once it gets to the Fitbit logo again, let go of both the buttons you were holding, and it should boot up here shortly. Once it's booted up, everything works. It's usually if the screen glitches or if something else is going on, something's not working properly, that's when you pretty much do a reset. And that is how you reset a Fitbit Blaze. Thanks for watching, guys.